Order of Operations Royal Rescue is a hands-on and engaging educational online game from the website Mr. Nussbaum Learning and Fun, which aims to develop knowledge and understanding of calculating number sentences with multiple operations and grouping symbols. Mr. Nussbaum Learning and Fun is a website that provides the user with a range of educational online games and interactive resources, catering particularly for primary school students across various stages and key learning areas. Navigating Mr. Nussbaum Learning and Fun is relatively easy as users simply select the tabs indicating their year level to access appropriate resources relevant for a particular stage, or select one of the broad category topics appropriate for various key learning areas. Mr. Nussbaum Learning and Fun, however, is an American website, meaning before accessing the online games and interactive resources, the appropriate nature of the content should be confirmed with New South Wales syllabus documents on relevant key learning areas and stages. This website also contains third-party advertising, meaning teachers should closely monitor the use of the website by students to ensure for no inappropriate pop-up advertisements and that students do not divert from the task. Order of Operations Royal Rescue is an example of an online mathematics game found on Mr. Nussbaum Learning and Fun, created for students in Stage 3, Year 6. In Order of Operations Royal Rescue, the royal family has been abducted. As a knight in the Order of Operations, the students must use their math skills to save all 7 royal family members. Firstly, students must select their character, Sir William or Dame Gwendolyn. Then students will need to calculate the solution to the generated number sentence using their knowledge of order of operations and grouping symbols. So for example, we start with the grouping symbols. 12 minus 11 is 1, click go. Then 3 divided by 1 is 3, click go. Then 3 times 2 is 6, click go. Then 13 minus 6 is 7, click go. Then 7 plus 6 is 13. It then says you've solved the steps correctly, click to the rescue. And then the first royal freed is Sir Edgar. Students will then continue the online game until all 7 royals are saved. The online mathematics game, Order of Operations Royal Rescue, does not show or represent explicit real-world connections. However, understanding the order of operations and the relationship between multiplication and division and addition and subtraction can be used by students to decipher and solve problem-based scenarios in everyday situations. Additionally, knowledge of the order of operations can be used to understand how to complete calculations using digital technologies and minimize the risk of potential calculation errors caused by these technology limitations to implement such concepts. By interacting with the Order of Operation Royal Rescue game, students meet the New South Wales Maths syllabus outcomes for number and algebra, multiplication and division 2. The game requires students to apply the order of operations in calculations and recognise and use grouping symbols. The game requires students to apply appropriate problem-solving strategies for multiplication and division. The Order of Operations Royal Rescue links to pedagogy by using elements from the 3 dimensions of the quality teaching model. Students develop deep understanding as they explore relationships between the order of operations through computer-generated problems. The game also engages students as they progress through all of the levels, sustaining their interests. Students, likewise, draw on their background knowledge using the order of operations to complete the game. The most important element of the QTM in Order of Operations Royal Rescue is engagement, which will also be the focus of Assignment 2 in this course. Research of Prensky states that through the use of gaming, like Order of Operations Royal Rescue, students can become active and engaged learners. This suggests student engagement is important as it allows them to self-regulate their own learning, actively solving problems, allowing teachers to step in the role as a facilitator of learning.